Building better brains with omega-3 consuming fish oil, such as trout and salmon, or taking an omega-3 supplement, can help improve your memory. A new study has indicated that the fatty acid in fish can boost memory function by at least 15%. With those conclusions, scientists are now expressing how important a fish-rich diet is for preventing dementia and maintaining optimal brain health. Despite what you may believe, omega-3 fatty acids are very important when it comes to weight loss, heart health, and yes, even brain health. These fatty acids can have many different powerful benefits to both your body and your brain. Helps fight depression. Many people are diagnosed with depression. This is one of the most common mental disorders. Symptoms of depression include lethargy, sadness, and a loss of interest in things you once loved. Anxiety is also another common disorder, and this can be characterized by nervousness and constant worry. Studies have found that individuals who turn to omega-3 on a regular basis are less likely to be faced with depression. What's even better is that when individuals who are diagnosed with depression or anxiety turn to omega-3 supplements, their symptoms improve. Promote brain health in children. Omega-3s are important for brain growth. Infants that are given DHA fortified formula have a tendency to have better eyesight than those who are fed normal formula that doesn't contain it. It is also important that you get enough omega-3 when you're pregnant, as this will be beneficial to the child. There are numerous benefits: better communication, better social skills, higher intelligence, less behavioral problems, decreased risk of autism, decreased risk of ADHD. Deficiency in omega-3 is linked to poor eyesight, low intelligence, and an increased risk of various health issues, so it is important that you get enough omega-3s while pregnant and continue this after the child is born. Anti-aging benefits on the brain. Omega-3 has some pretty nice anti-aging effects on the brain, both structurally and functionally. Omega-3s have been proven to have a direct effect on hippocampus volume and the overall brain. For those of you who aren't familiar with the hippocampus, this is an area of the brain that is responsible for memory and learning. Omega-3 is incredibly important for the health of your brain. You can get it from eating fatty fish at least 2 times a week, or simply taking omega-3 supplements, which are available over the counter in most department stores. If you lack omega-3 in your diet, this is a highly effective way to improve your brain health and overall health. Can omega-3 reduce stress and improve moods? You're having a bad week, a bad month, a bad year. Every time you turn around, it seems as if a new type of stress is tossed in your direction. There you are, sitting there, thinking you're never going to have the opportunity to be in a good mood again, and you're on the verge of scheduling a doctor's appointment to get a bottle of antidepressants just so you can get through your day. Before you do that, you may want to take a look at omega-3 and give it a try. Can omega-3 really help reduce stress and improve moods? Let's take a look and see. Omega-3 can help reduce the effects of anxiety, depression, and stress, helping to improve your moods. What is depression and anxiety? Anxiety is common. This is something many of us experience every now and then. During this time, we may feel anxious due to relationship problems, work issues, family troubles, or we simply feel burned out. When anxiety pops up all the time and it has a negative impact on the quality of your life, you're suffering from an anxiety disorder. Depression is a common mental health issue. It could be triggered by a major life-changing event, such as a job loss, or it could pop up out of nowhere, for no reason. Individuals that suffer from depression have feelings of hopelessness and sadness and find it hard to keep up with daily tasks. How does omega-3 help the body and brain? Your body needs omega-3s in order to function normally. There's 2 main types of active omega-3 fats, DHA and EPA. EPA is known for its anti-inflammatory effect. EPA is capable of crossing the blood-brain barrier, making it able to decrease inflammation in the brain. DHA, on the other hand, is found in the cell membranes of our neurons. It is responsible for sending signals faster between the cells in your brain. Omega-3 is great for depression, anxiety, and mood disorders. Various studies have indicated that there's a link between depression, anxiety, and low levels of omega-3s. You see, omega-3s, mostly DHA, are in brain cell membranes. When you have a lack of omega-3s in your brain and body, it will make it difficult for serotonin to pass through the cell membranes. Studies have shown that by taking omega-3 supplements, people can improve the symptoms of depression, anxiety and mood disorders. EPA has been found to relieve symptoms of neuroinflammation. Resilient to stress. It has been found that by taking omega-3 supplements, you will be more resilient to stress, making it easier to regulate your mood. Taking omega-3 supplements. Healthy adults should get around 500 milligrams of combined DHA and EPA. You can get this by consuming fish at least 2 times per week, and consuming green, leafy vegetables. Those that don't eat fish may find it hard to get enough EPA and DHA in their diet. If this is the issue, you can turn to omega-3 supplements to help. Health is wealth. Is omega-3 really all it's cracked up to be, and is it safe to use? Go ahead and name an illness that runs in your family: Alzheimer's, heart disease, depression, arthritis, asthma, and omega-3 can help prevent it. Or not. Is omega-3 really all it's cracked up to be? Is it safe to use? Those are questions that are asked by many people, and today, we're here to answer them. Today, omega-3 has been ranked as one of the most important essential nutrients available today. Research has indicated that a higher intake of omega-3s could have many health benefits nesting behind it. Take a look at some of the benefits in order to see if omega-3 is all it's cracked up to be. Omega-3 and your cholesterol levels. Both krill oil and fish oil are efficient in regulating your cholesterol triglyceride levels. While both are capable of reducing the enzyme activity that can cause the liver to metabolize fat, it seems krill has more benefits in reducing liver triglycerides. Omega-3 and your heart. By turning to fish oils, you may be able to reduce the risk of having a stroke or a heart attack. A study done by American medical researchers indicated that men that used fish oil at least 1 time a week lowered their risk of heart complications by 50% than men who eat fish less than 1 time a month. Omega-3 and children. Omega-3 is also beneficial to children as it can help maximize their intellectual potential. Studies conducted have indicated that children that consume an omega-3 fat supplement when they are infants scored higher on vocabulary. Omega-3 plays a major role in brain health. DHA and EPA increase neuronal growth, keep the dopamine levels in your brain high, and increase cerebral circulation. Lowers high blood pressure. By consuming omega-3, you can lower your blood pressure. Replacing red meat with fish during some of your meals would be beneficial for this. You should avoid the salty fish, like smoked salmon. Omega-3 is essential for human health. However, the average human has too many omega-6 fats in their diet, while they consume a low amount of omega-3. Both omega-3 and omega-6 are important in the diet, but there needs to be balance. An ideal ration of omega-6 to omega-3 fats would be 1:1. Is omega-3 safe to use? The US FDA has concluded that the use of DHA and EPA, the main omega-3 fatty acids, found in dietary supplements and fish, is safe to use, as long as the daily intake does not go over 3 grams per person each day. So, 1 to 2 fish meals on a weekly basis is okay. For people who have bleeding disorders, caution is advised, because omega-3 could increase the risk of bleeding, so dosing adjustments may be needed. Conclusion: health is wealth. Omega-3 and weight loss. Are you looking to lose weight? There are so many different weight loss programs out there, some of them just don't make sense and make it seem impossible to lose weight. Despite it all, if you're looking to shed some pounds, regardless of who you are, you should make sure you include omega-3 in your diet. In this article, we're going to be discussing omega-3 and weight loss. You probably won't believe this, but if you want to lose weight, turning to something as small as a fish oil supplement can help you lose a couple extra pounds every month. This is nothing like the other supplements out there that usually contain caffeine and various other stimulants, because supplements that contain omega-3 aren't going to make you feel nervous and jittery. Plus, you're not going to crash a couple of hours after you take the supplements, unlike the other types of supplements currently on the market. Overall health will benefit when you take regular weight loss supplements. You're simply focusing on weight loss and that's about it. However, with omega-3, not only will you lose weight, your overall health will benefit. Taking fish oil on a daily basis can help your heart, brain, and joints. Looking at weight loss supplements currently on the market, we cannot find any that make these type of claims. Take a look at how fish oil supplements, omega-3, can help you shed those unwanted pounds. Omega-3 can decrease your appetite. Staying full longer between meals is a good thing when you're trying to lose weight. By taking a couple of fish oil capsules right after you eat, you could stay full for a longer period of time. Over time, this method will help you shed some pounds, without leaving you feeling hungry all the time. How does fish oil work its magic? It helps you stay full, because it releases serotonin. Serotonin is a chemical that is responsible for regulating not only your mood, but your appetite as well. Omega-3 helps you lose fat and build muscle. Taking omega-3 on a daily basis can help you lose fat and build muscle. Isn't that good news? Simply by taking enough omega-3 each day, and combining this action with a healthy diet, you could get the body you've been dreaming of. Makes your diet and workout program better. When you take a fish oil supplement, it can make our diet and exercise program better. Studies have indicated that those who consumed omega-3 on a routine basis lost more weight than those taking a normal placebo supplement. As you see, omega-3 can help you lose weight better than an actual diet supplement can. Plus, it has so many other benefits nesting behind it. With those amazing benefits, we can't see why anyone would turn away from omega-3. Health is wealth. What to look for when buying omega-3? Omega-3 is good for your health. The best way for you to get enough in your diet would be to eat foods that are rich in omega-3, such as fatty fish. However, not everyone out there can tolerate fish, and that is perfectly understandable. For this reason, there are supplements you can take. Mind you, there are hundreds of supplements available and not all of them have the same health benefits. In order to make sure you get the health benefits you need, we're going to tell you what to look for when buying omega-3. Amount of fatty acid. You should always look at the amount of fatty acid that is in the supplement. Look at the label and find the amount of EPA and DHA per serving. Type of fatty acid. Don't forget to look for the type of fatty acid. Omega-3 should come from marine sources. Concentration. The concentration level is definitely important. The amount of DHA and EPA can vary from 200 to 700 milligrams per capsule. If it has a high concentration of DHA and EPA, this will allow you to consume more omega-3 in fewer doses. Omega-3s are available in a variety of forms. Fish oil is available in a natural form, but you can also find it in a processed form. Mind you, the processing form may not be as good, because it can affect the form of the fatty acids. This is something you must remember, because your body can absorb some forms better than others. Fish oil. When it comes to conventional fish oil, omega-3 is normally present as triglycerides. Fish. If you're eating whole fish, you can get your omega-3 fatty acids from the triglycerides and phospholipids. Processed fish oil. When the fish oils have been processed, they turn into ethyl esters. Ethyl esters aren't found in nature. When comparing processed fish oil with natural fish oil, we find that the body doesn't absorb processed fish oil as well as natural fish oil. This is because of the ethyl ester form. However, there are some manufacturers out there that process the oil further so that it changes back into the synthetic triglyceride form. This is a form that your body can easily absorb. All four of these forms have some pretty good health benefits nesting behind them. However, studies have suggestion that when omega-3 comes from ethyl esters, it's not as good as the other forms. So there you have it. When you're buying omega-3, make sure you check the label to learn about the concentration, type of fatty acid, and the amount of fatty acid.